Hello friends, welcome to the channel. If you wish to fix Kernelbase.dll error, then let's look at the options. So there are only two options here. One is to run the SFC scan. So we look for the command prompt in the search panel, right click, run as administrator, yes, and we type the command sfc space slash scan now, SCANNOW, and press enter. If that doesn't resolve the issue, then we have to re-register the set DLL. So we again go to command prompt, click right click, run as administrator, yes, and we will type the command to re-register the DLL, which is regsvr dot exe space ker, this should be in capital, KERNELBASE dot DLL and press enter. So this is how we resolve the issue. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.